And now your 13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate in Hampton Roads.
Well, still a lot of low clouds out there. We had breaks in the clouds earlier today. We have a few breaks this evening, but in general, things are trying to get a little more conducive to a stray shower. You'll see in a minute, there's actually a lot of rain on radar. In fact, let's check that out right now. Nothing here in the immediate area, but look at this line of, it's a solid line. There are not any breaks in it, and that is moving steadily to the east. However, we are pretty confident that most of this line is going to fall apart or move to the northeast and basically bypass a lot of the area. So if you're watching from some of the western parts of the viewing area, way out here near I-95 or off to the north, your odds are a little bit better tonight than the rest of us of seeing a couple of isolated showers. But for most of us, it's just going to be mostly cloudy and chilly. Winds early out of the west, late shifting, early out of the east, late they'll shift to the west. Right now there's no wind at all. Temperature 52, a lot of humidity in the air, dew points at 50, so that's a very close ratio, hence a lot of that sort of haze and a little bit of light fog. Temperatures right now even colder back inland. Look at all these 49s showing up, while closer to the water, generally upper 40s to even some lower 50s, and even a mid 50 there showing up at Wachapreague as well as down near Kill Devil Hills. So chilly, not a huge range in temperatures. And not a huge range, at least at the coast, from what we had earlier. Norfolk was 56 for the high today, and yet here we are not all that much lower than there right now. Going through the overnight, more of the same out ahead of the front. Combine that front actually with the low offshore, and what we get is a squeeze sort of on the atmosphere, causes the clouds. Most of the energy is going to slip by to the north, though. That's why we think the best chances of rain will be to the north. And then temperatures fairly mild, not a big drop overnight. And because it takes a while to get cold air in behind a front, we're going to have a very nice day tomorrow with temperatures up near normal into the lower 60s, a decent amount of sunshine. But eventually the cold air does come rushing in, or colder air. And you can see 40 for the low at the airport early on Friday, but inland areas in the 30s, and then by afternoon only 52. So a big drop compared to Thursday's high. But then it doesn't last all that long either, as we go right back up after a chilly or cold start Saturday. By afternoon on Saturday, we're going to be back up maybe even near 70 degrees. There is that line of rain out to the west that's moving east, but should be falling apart. So just a stray shower in a couple of spots potentially tonight. 46 tomorrow. Warmer again, 66. Maybe a few clouds very early, then only 55 Friday, but back into the upper 60s or near 70 Saturday. Chance of rain Saturday night, much cooler Sunday and Monday. Back to warmer again Tuesday, Wednesday.
All right, thanks, Jeff.